Insider, where America goes for funding. I appreciate all of you guys tuning in and watching the channel. It's the week before Christmas, guys. We're getting ready to wind up this year and finish it up. And we're going to finish. This is going to be our last show before the new year. We won't be here next Thursday. I'm going to be out of town, so I wanted to finish up this talk with Angelo live. I got a special. My wife got me this as an early. Well, this is actually for our anniversary. It's not regular Jack Daniels. This is the Sinatra edition. If you guys haven't had this, that's awesome. It comes with. You can kind of check out this little box right here. I know this is a real estate show on mortgage, but it has. I always love to talk about my whiskeys and everything that I get. It has a really neat story. This is actually from Frank Sinatra, the actor, the singer, the famous Frank Sinatra. Hey, what's up, Foxy? So let me get this out of here real quick. So it has a whole story about Frank Sinatra. Anyway, it's in the inside of it. You can kind of take a look inside of it. So it's kind of neat. So anyway, apparently, I guess the story goes that Frank Sinatra, before he would go on stage, would drink this to kind of help mellow and chill him out. It's actually it's pretty expensive. It's hard to find it. It's like $150, $200 a bottle. Anyway, I always like talking about whiskey and stuff, and it's really good. It's just it's a 90 proof. It's not anything crazy, but it's a nice one to have, especially cigar after dinner, before dinner, whatever. So anyway, it's a great one. So talking about mortgage, real estate, everything like that before the year's over. Interest rates, you saw yesterday, the Federal Reserve dropped interest rates 0.25%. That's awesome, guys. That's what we wanted. We wanted rates to go down. We're seeing rates now in the fives. You can lock in for a 30-year fixed mortgage. Mm, of course, yeah. If the property is worth 2 million and you only need a loan for 600K, absolutely, you can definitely get a loan on it. We do all different types of just to kind of reiterate who we are, what we do. Uh, Interest rates right now, that depends. I mean, on the type of loan that you're doing. Standard conforming governments, let's just say in the fives, maybe sixes. Private bridge non-QM 7/8. Hard money starting at 10% and higher. Rates have come down considerably. In fact, we specialize in Texas private hard money lending. Those rates were around 14.5%. They've come all the way down to the 11s now. So rates have gotten a lot cheaper, so they're a lot more attractive. So definitely makes a lot more sense if you're an investor right now, if you want to lock in to get a low rate. Because think about it, if you're getting a million, like you want to get a $600,000 loan, if your interest rate went down by 2%, that's going to save you over $1,200 a month on your payment. So it's a massive amount of savings that you're going to realize on your mortgage. So that's $15,000 a year. So it's really a no-brainer. Good stuff. It's got like a it's not like sweet like they put sugar in there, because they don't. Um, oh, thank you, Mr. Bigglesworth. I appreciate that. So it's got a good caramel honey, but it's not sweet because I don't like sweet drinks. It's just got a natural. I don't know. It's definitely. I would. I don't drink regular Jack Daniels. Um, I had this on a cruise ship, Disney cruise ship, and anyway. Um, So yeah, if you guys can, please like, subscribe. Don't forget to enable notifications. Share the information with anyone out there. A lot of people, they replay our lives. We also have our Angelo Christian Mortgage on our YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. And we've been doing our social media now for 7 years. We have millions of hours watched. We need more subscribers. So, hey Jeff, what's up? What do we finance? Absolutely, yeah, we can. We have really, with acreage, it just depends on the location and if it's kind of normal for the area. Like we're doing a 40. I mean, we get them all the time. Like we do land loans, we do construction loans, rural properties. So the acreage isn't so much the problem. It's more about the property location. Where's the property located, and is there other properties that are similar with acreage. Give you an example. If you have a 15-acre property and all the comps in the area are for half-acre lots, and there's no other 15-acre property, then that's not going to be possible. But if there's 5-acre lots, 10-acre tracts, 15, 20-acre tracts, and it's kind of normal for your area, we can show that with an appraisal. Then the acreage is not a problem. Now the other thing is it depends on what product that we're going to put you on. Like there's different products. So we have to figure that out because some products allow for more acreage, some products do not. So anyway, good question though. So, but anyway, I'm very excited about the interest rates coming down. We're thinking. I know Jerome Powell said that next year. They say that just for being precautionary, two more Fed rate cuts next year. I personally think there's going to be four rate cuts next year. I mean, we'll see what happens. Oh, thank you for tuning in and watching the show. Um, Okay, it has a house, four barns, and two I'd have to take a look at it. If you want to send us the appraisal or the property description, if there's a Zillow listing, send it to us at loans at official Angelo Christian, loans at officialangelochristian.com. That's loans plural with the appraisal or the Zillow, and then we can do the loan. It's not a matter of I just got to see what product to put it on. It can be done though, even though I mean that's considered a unique or commercial property. Is that income producing? I would imagine, or do you live there, or what is the situation? Oh, oh, you're welcome, Jeff. Thank you. Um, okay, yeah. I mean, like I said, it can be done. I just, we have the mindset we're going to do whatever it takes. We have a lot of products. We had funded a deal for a investor that actually had a rental property, and the county just zoned the area commercial. And then he had a trailer behind the home that had always been on the property. It was an old, beat up, abandoned trailer, and no other lender would do it. And we did it for him. And we did, and the other thing is that most lenders that offered to do it for him wanted to have him remove the trailer, and he wouldn't do it. So there's, I'm not saying we can do a loan for everybody. That's not what I'm trying to say, but we have a lot of options, and we'll definitely push and put in the effort to figure it out. We do nationwide, so we do commercial, multifamily, mobile home parks, RV parks, hotels, restaurants, casinos, strip clubs. We've done all kinds of cannabis. We've done all kinds of financing. Single family build to rent. Um, hey, what's up, Christian? Nice to see you, man. Merry Christmas, buddy. So we do all different types of financing packages. So we do hard money, we do bridge loans. I mean, we've done we can do our portfolio or jumbo ultra luxury up to 30 million for our primary. DSCR bridge, no dock up to 10 million. Multifamily, there's no limit. Whether it's a Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac product, a CMBS loan. So we do asset based. If it's a hard money loan, no credit score. So we got a lot of different options of what we can do. It just really depends on what the situation is because we do both, balance sheet, private, bridge lending, and we do long-term standard financing. So, like I said, when the rates are coming down, people are more attracted, more compelled to do business because obviously it makes a lot more sense from the debt service and the NOI if you're an investor. So, we even do land loans too. People want to get a land loan or construction loan. And obviously, we do like fix and flip and all that stuff too. But and we do FHA. We have an FHA down payment assistance program up to 50,000, and that really makes us different. Is like we go down to like a 500 credit score on our VA loans and our FHA. A lot of lenders they just do conventional, or they just do residential, or they may just do bridge or hard money, or they may just do commercial. We have all the different products that we offer. We don't really go below on loan amount though. Our minimum loan amount is 100,000. Thank you. Happy holidays to you too, and Merry Christmas, everybody. And remember, if you're looking to get into real estate, we are hiring great people right now. Send us your resume to loans at officialangelochristian.com. We're hiring for loan officers, loan processors, loan officer assistants. So we are looking for great talent. We lend nationwide. So it doesn't really matter where you are. If you have a team, I don't know what you have, whether you have a branch or you got just a salesperson or you're a processor, but we are looking for great people, to bring onto the team. So if you're looking for a career change, you want to get into finance, you want to get into real estate, and you want to join a great company, we have full benefits, obviously full pay, salary, commissions, bonuses. So if you want more information, just send us your resume to loans at officialangelochristian.com. And if you have a loan scenario, don't forget you can also email us your loan scenario. Like the other gentleman was talking about with his property with the acreage, you can send us your scenario, and then we'll respond to you with one of our salespeople, and then go over the deal to figure it out. So we have a whole deal scenario desk to help you to figure out how to structure your loan. So, um, yeah, I mean, like I said, if you're looking for a great career opportunity, now, if you're looking to learn about real estate, we have a real estate university. Don't forget, and we have all the links down below to sign up to get your certificate, to graduate, get your diploma. It's the university actually built. It's been going strong, number one university for real estate last 7 years in a row. So check that out, Real Estate University online.com. Really, really cool platform to learn how to become a top producing lender. It's not to get your loan officer license, it's to become a top producer or closer. There's a huge difference between closing, getting leads in, knowing how to close a deal, structure a loan, learn how to close, and just get your license. We don't offer getting your license. We teach you how to close and get deals in. How to be a lead magnet, teach you about products because that's what really lending is, understanding products. Like this gentleman was asking about the acreage. If you put them on the wrong product, the loan's not going to close. It's all about understanding what the guidelines are, what the situation is, and packaging and structuring it to make sure that loan's going to approve and get closed. Hey, what's up, my man? Helping me with my loan is a dream. You're welcome. Thank you, James. Appreciate you, man, for watching the channel. Merry Christmas to you. Yeah, we've been at hey, and one thing, guys, that listen, there's a lot of good companies out there. I believe in what we do. We've been doing it for 20 years, going strong. You can look us up online. We've got the reviews, we've got the clout, the people that back us and believe in us, just like what James is saying. We work incredibly hard. We're open 7 days a week. We're not perfect. We obviously haven't, we can't fund everyone that reaches out to us, but we are real. We're sincere. We care, and we're going to put in the effort. And that's really the big thing that with our team is we're going to fight for you. The other thing is that there's no hard credit check, so it doesn't affect your score. So you don't have any risk on that. We just do a soft credit check. Some loans we don't even do a credit check. Hey, Chantel. Um, okay, I think yeah, if the 70,000 might be the challenge on that. The credit should be okay for just raw land. The one challenge that we may have is hi, nice, nice to see you. One of the challenges that we might have is the loan amount. The loan amount, the minimum loan amount that we do is 100,000. That might you now in that situation. What I would say is you might want to try to talk to your bank or your credit union to see if they would do it. Um, that's going to be our weakness is our minimum loan amount's 100,000. Now, if you want to buy something bigger with more land, then we could do it. I'm sorry, more purchase price. It doesn't have to be more land per se, but more of a purchase price that we could do. But the loan amount is where our hands are going to be tied on the loan amount. So, like if you bought something for 150, you could probably make that work. And I understand if you don't want to do that. I'm just saying that's what it would take. From our side, probably to get it done is just a higher loan amount. Thank you guys for subscribing, liking the bell. Please enable notifications. Share this with anybody that has any questions, comments, whatever you need help with. You're welcome. Yeah, sorry. I mean, and here's the thing: we're going to tell you quickly or as fast as possible if we can do it or not. We're not going to beat around the bush. I mean, that's the thing. Like, I appreciate you for reaching out, and I mean, it means the world to me. It's just that We just don't have the product for it. But I would say you're better off in maybe your bank or a credit union. We are starting to do loans out of the country. Um, we can do the Caribbean. We can do uh, Roatan, Belize, Bahamas, um, South America. So we're starting to do that. It's a lot different though. The requirements there is not like down payment assistance and grants and stuff like that. It's a way different world. I mean, those type of loans, from what I'm seeing, like we're working on a resort in Belize. It's like $100 million loan. They're making the people put down like 30 million. So these are because the laws are a lot different when you go overseas. So there is not down payment assistance and grants and all this credit boosting stuff. It's a way different world. In fact, it's more geared. Well, it depends. Some countries are more pro consumer. A lot of them are more pro business. And they make you kind of do like a sale leaseback structure. What I'm seeing a lot of these countries do, or very large down payments. So we got to be grateful about that. In America, is there's a lot of products. There's infinite programs like the USDA, offering 100% financing, no money down. But yeah, we are. It's just like I said, it's a different ball game, Robert. We do. I don't, and maybe there is lenders out there that will do 0 or 5 or 10% down, out of the country. I just have never seen it. And to be honest with you, I haven't spent enough time probably investigating it. We're so busy in America. I love the idea about doing it. We have a lot of ties in Roatan and Honduras, and I think it's a great country. Getting the product set up has been very difficult. So, but anyway, where are you? I mean, where are you thinking about Ishmael? Yeah, we work with. So we work with Fortress Credit. You can email us over. You can Google Fortress. They're in Las Vegas, Nevada. A good friend of mine, Rondi Lambeth, and I don't get any kickbacks from that. He's just a good friend of mine that owns that. They've been doing all of our credit repair for the last 6 years. They do a really good job. So I recommend Fortress Credit. Adam, you can email us. We can connect you with their team, or just you can Google Fortress Credit in Nevada, Las Vegas. But like I said, guys, we're not going to be here next week. We're going to be out for the holiday. I hope that you guys are going to be with your family, spending time with them. There is a time to, yeah, or email us and we'll connect you with them too. Either way. So, but like I was saying earlier, so uh, rates have come down. There's a lot more products coming out. We rolled out our FHA zero down grants down to a 580 credit score. You can buy your house with no money down, and the payment's cheaper than rent right now with the rates how low they've dropped. Get the down payment assistance, so it's an awesome hot product. Great way to start the year to own your new home. Wouldn't that be great to buy your new home if you're trying to buy? We also offer our no doc ultra luxury. If you're self-employed, business owner, entrepreneur, or whatever your situation is, we go up to 30 million buying a house for yourself. You own a business, you want to buy your home. You don't need tax returns, you don't need W-2s, you don't need pay stubs. You just use your bank statement or your financial statement, or your profit and loss, or whatever you got, or no doc. And the down payments on those are starting at 10%. Interest rates are starting at 6.9 fixed with no PMI. So a really sexy product. A lot of great programs that we offer. So definitely looking forward to helping you guys any way that we can to bring the program. So you're looking to get cash out. We have HELOCs, lines of credit, no doc HELOCs, investment HELOCs. So we got all the programs to help you to get you the funding to make sure that you're successful for 2025. That's our big thing. As we end 2024, looking back, what can we do to improve to get better for next year? Do I want to create more wealth? Do I want to have more mailbox money? Do I want to create more rental income? Do I want to fix my credit score? Do I want to buy my first home for my family? We're here to help you to get you the funding and the capital to be able to make that happen, to make it a reality. That's why we're here. Okay. You're going to next year. Now is the time to do your New Year's resolution. Start thinking about your plan and your goals. What do you want to, where do you need to improve? Where do you need to get better? Do you need more rental income? Do you need more retirement income? If you own 5 properties and you made 6,000 a month, will that change your life? You want to get a career in real estate? Will that change your life? We have real estate university for you. So that's why we're here, to add value, to enhance your life, to change it, to make it better. So we wish you guys a happy Merry Christmas with your family. Again, don't forget to subscribe, like that bell, enable notifications. Reach out to us if we can help you with anything. We're here for you. Have a wonderful Merry Christmas. I should be back for New Year's before that, I think. But take care, stay strong, eat good food, drink good. What's this? FHA, Chantel. Oh, cool. You're an agent? Yeah, we do. Actually, Chantel, we do FHA down to a 500 score. So FHA below 580 is 10% down. 580 to 619 is 3.5% down, and 620 or higher is zero down. We have the FHA zero down. So, and you can, if you want to talk about it tomorrow, we can just reach out to us. Yeah, we don't. We go down to a 500 for FHA actually. We go down to a 500 for VA too. VA is zero down, regardless of the credit score. Just FHA 500 to 579 is 10% down. 579, 580 to 619 is 3.5. 620 and higher, we have FHA. You can get zero down. We do that, and you can do it in a duplex too. So that's really strong. So duplex zero down, um, FHA zero down. So, and we offer that nationwide. So it's a really awesome product. So anyway, yeah, I appreciate all of you guys watching. Have a great weekend with your family. We love y'all. Take care. Don't forget, if you go to Angelo Christian Mortgage on Google too, and leave us a review. We've done business with you, with a partner, a vendor, um, or whatever. Oh, FHA, you can use W-2s, pay stubs, or taxes. You can use either one. If you're a W-2 employee, you don't need taxes. You can just use your pay stubs. So it depends. If you're self-employed, you have to use taxes. That's right. Only if you're self-employed, or you're trying to claim rental income from rental properties or business income. If you're a W-2 employee, you won't need taxes, just your pay. With us, now, maybe other lenders is different. I don't know. But with us, it's just the pay stubs. So anyway, take care. God bless, guys. Stay strong. Have a wonderful weekend with your families. We'll be back online, not next week, the following week. Merry Christmas, all. Take care. Bye bye.